the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle!
On this Wednesday afternoon, William McNeil Jr. is driving his SUV on West Palm Avenue in Jacksonville. He is headed home. He has done nothing to draw attention to himself. Nothing that most of us would consider worth a second glance. Officer D.J. Bowers pulls him over. The stated reason: no headlights in inclement weather, no seatbelt. Look at the footage. Tell me if you see rain.
Yes, sir.
Is there a reason why you're popping the door open like that?
I don't have a window that works. Is there a reason that you're pulling me over?
Yeah, absolutely there's a reason why I'm pulling you over. For one thing, inclement weather, you don't have your lights on. Two things, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
It's daylight. I don't need the lights. And it's not weather. It's not raining.
Oh, this is inclement?
It's not raining.
Okay, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling you why I'm pulling you over. Give me your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
No, call your supervisor. Why?
Excuse me?
Call your supervisor. Why did you pull me over?
3735. I'm parked for the dog driver. I've already told you.
Why did you pull me over?
He asked why he was being pulled over. He asked to speak to a supervisor. He said his window was broken, which is why he opened his door instead. He closed the door. He locked it. Now here is where every version of this story splits into two. Version 1. He was being combative. He refused a lawful order. He was warned 7 times. He chose this. Version 2. He was 22 years old, alone in a car. A white officer was demanding he get out for reasons he didn't understand. He was scared. He said so himself later. I was scared, frightened. I grew up being told that officers protect us, but that wasn't the case.
Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. My camera's on too. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take this on, the worse it's going to be. Keep your hands where I can see them, sir. Okay. Sir, this is your last warning to open the vehicle and exit before we're going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window. Open the door and exit or we are going to break the window.
Well, we're conducting a traffic stop right now. You need to.
No, he's under arrest.
Hey, I'll lock the car on the footstep.
Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting. Open the door and exit. You are under arrest for resisting.
Can you unlock the door and step out? I will. Can you step out? You're being done. There's a traffic stop being conducted. You're required to comply.
Vehicle's blocked.
Yes.
He's locked it up. Putting the window down.
Correct.
Try to talk to.
Huh? Okay. So what did he ask for when he I guess,
when he pulled me over, he walked up, opened my door, threw my window down, right? And then I said, so what I did wrong?
Yeah.
He said, well, for one, your headlights are off under this weather. I'm like, There's multiple people headlights on.
Okay, that's still
and
within
then
the range of
there's no rain.
It doesn't matter. You're still required to have headlights on.
Can you pull that law up?
Huh?
Can you pull that law
Yeah,
up?
when you step out of the car, I will.
Hey.
Can you call your supervisor?
Huh?
Can you call your supervisor?
Alright, go for it.
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle! Show me your hands.
Here.
1033 at 16.1 hours.
What is your reason, sir? What is your reason?
Step out now. Alright.
Get on the ground. No, don't get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
7 times. The sheriff confirmed it. McNeil was warned 7 times he was under arrest and needed to open his door. 7. On warning number 7, Officer Bowers breaks the window and then he hits him, an open-hand strike to the face. McNeil, sitting in his car, hands visible, facing forward. The state attorney would later call this strike a legitimate tactical purpose, said it was designed to get McNeil out of the car and make him show his hands. McNeil showed his hands, and then he was dragged out, punched again with a closed fist, thrown to the ground, multiple officers on top of him. All of this for no headlights, in weather that may not have been raining, on citations that were dropped the very next day. Here is what the 3 body cam angles did not capture. The first punch? Not one camera caught the initial strike to McNeil's face. The sheriff admitted this at his press conference. The state attorney had already cleared the officers without ever seeing it. The camera that did catch it? McNeil's own phone, mounted on his dashboard, recording his own arrest. He recorded his own assault and held on to the video for 5 months before he showed it to the world. September 10th, 2025. William McNeil Jr. files a federal civil rights lawsuit, U.S. District Court, Middle District of Florida. As of this video, no federal investigation has been announced, no trial date has been set. Officer Bowers has not been criminally charged. William McNeil Jr. suffered a fractured tooth, a lacerated chin and lip, a closed head injury, a traumatic brain injury, cognitive impairment, short-term memory deficits. For a traffic stop,